Hey, how's it going YouTube? My name is Andrew Bond and this is Out of the Box. Question: do you own a GoPro? Now, if your answer was yes, then I'd be willing to bet that you probably like taking your GoPro out with you to places so you can take awesome videos. And I'd also be willing to bet that after you get finished taking all those awesome videos, you end up stumbling to your car with a bunch of bulky cases looking something like this. And as great as the GoPro is, the last thing you want to be caught doing after you finish filming is carrying one of those bulky cases around a theme park, through the woods, or even around town with your friends or family. There has got to be a better way. Today, there is. It's named the GoPro Seeker Backpack. My initial impression of this bag is that it's made from extremely quality materials. It's lightweight and it's portable. So putting the bag on, one of the things I really noticed was that on the chest strap there's actually a bungee cable. When you connect it to the buckle, you really have a secure feeling, which is really nice if you're planning on mounting the GoPro onto your person, onto the bag, and capturing some footage. Additionally, the padding on the back feels really breathable, really comfortable. Now, being that this is a GoPro branded bag, there are a few unique ways that you can actually mount your camera to the bag itself. So, as you can see, if you have the GoPro 3-way pull, you're able to strap it right onto the bag itself and get some pretty cool over-the-shoulder shots while filming. So the second way is going to be with the included GoPro integrated chest mount. This chest mount straps right onto the bag straps itself. It stays really snug and secure right to your person, and it's really going to be for the person who wants to get a nice point of view shot while filming, and it's going to stay a little more stable since your chest seems to be a little bit more still while the rest of your body is moving. Now, last but not least, we have the shoulder strap attachment. This is really going to be the easiest way to mount your GoPro to the bag, seeing as how you really don't need any additional accessories. Again, I can't stress the convenience enough. It's really nice. You just grab your GoPro, you put it right onto its mount, you take it to the backpack, and you just click it in, just like that, and now you're ready to go. Now, while this is the most convenient way, is it really the best? As you can see, I kind of move my shoulders a little bit while I'm doing things out and about, and it's really not going to give the most stable view. That being said, you really don't, while filmmaking, want to make people sick trying to watch your videos. So guys, let's start digging into this backpack a little bit. I want to show you what compartments, pockets, bells, whistles, anything cool about this bag, so you can get a better idea before you go out and possibly purchase it. So initially, right on the front of the bag, you're going to notice there's a really nice design, a nice zipper. It really reminds me kind of my Yeti cooler that I have. So that's pretty cool. It's a really nice rugged outdoor-like material. Now on the inside, this pocket's not very huge, as you can see in there, but it is really soft. It's a felt-like material. You can easily fit a plus-size phone, some keys, a wallet, whatever you want right in there. And it's really going to be well protected, and it seems to be pretty protected even from water. So on top, there's another pocket. It really seems to be padded a lot. It seems to be like a primary type pocket. Again, I don't know if you guys can really see this, but all along here, it's really kind of seems like a really water resistant design, which is really nice because obviously we're going to be keeping electronics in this bag, valuables. Now this pocket right here, you're able to actually store up to 5 GoPros in there. Now I have a camera that I'm using currently to film, and I've actually tried throwing my lens in here, and the lens fit really nicely. I noticed that the side walls, the bottom, they're all extraordinarily well padded, felt-like material, scratch resistant. The only thing is the top right here, it is padded, just not as thick. So obviously you wouldn't want to slam your bag down from the top. But other than that, I mean, it's great. You can fit memory cards or batteries or anything else of that nature in here. Really useful pocket, especially for someone who might have multiple GoPros, lenses, smaller gimbal. As far as the pockets go, this middle one, this seems to be the biggest pocket of all of them. As you open it, you can see there's actually quite a bit of space in here. Now, this is pretty large. It's rather large. It has a nice strap here, maybe for a tablet or a camera. You know, just for reference, I actually have one of my iPads. This is the 12.9 inch, I believe, iPad Pro. Has an Apple Pencil on the side, and just for reference so you can see, you can toss this thing in here pretty easily, actually, and still have a bunch of room. The cool part about it is this bag actually was designed. You can throw the Karma drone all the way inside there safely. You can store it, its accessories, which is really nice. Obviously, GoPro bag, you might have all the GoPro stuff. As far as these pockets go, this pocket's not really huge, but again, this is where this chest strap actually goes. So you can either keep the chest strap in there, but if you're like me, you're gonna use the gimbal. I'm gonna keep it open. I'm gonna put some other stuff in there. And then again, you have a nice storage pocket here. I've seen a lot of people, they're throwing tablets and things of that nature in there. Obviously my big 12-inch iPad Pro is not going to fit in there, but maybe one of my iPad minis or something like that. Or again, it is a scratch-resistant felt design, which is really nice. And then you have a couple more small pockets in there, really just to keep everything nice, neat, and organized. So obviously, if you're wearing this bag, you might be out and about, theme park, the regular park, outdoors, hiking, skiing, you name it. You might need some beverages, something to cool you off. So it does have 2 water bottle pockets on the sides, which is pretty nice considering that's quite a bit of water. But really the coolest feature is on the back of this bag, there's actually a hidden compartment. This compartment, as you can see, has a little water drop symbol there, and it's all blue. That's because you can fit up to a 2-liter bladder in there. So for those of you who are thinking, man, well, Andrew, I have a CamelBak. I like to use that when I'm out riding my bike, when I'm out hiking. Fear not, because this thing can hold 2 liters of water. The top of the bladder comes right out. The hose comes out the top. And again, just like your normal CamelBak, there is a strap in the bottom just to hold the end of the hose. All things considered and relative, a lot of people are saying that this bag is really expensive. At $170 price point, yes, it is at a premium, but when I consider that I paid almost $200 for my CamelBak alone, that has no other features other than drinking water, it really shouts value to me. So, who is this bag really meant for? This bag is really meant for the person who likes really quality, durable items. Someone who's not afraid to spend a little bit more money to get a lot more bang for their buck. Considering the fact that it has the CamelBak, you can keep all your accessories, your camera, an iPad, a MacBook, all your stuff in there, your valuables, your phone, your wallet, your keys. All that stuff said, you spent a lot of money, you invested a ton. Don't be afraid to grab something nice and portable to protect it. So would I personally recommend this product to my viewers? Absolutely. I think it's an extraordinary value. I think it's extremely well made. It's simple, yet very effective. If I could just ask one favor, if you could just like this video, share a comment, let me know what you think. Do you have the bag? Do you have the Karma grip? Do you have a GoPro? Are you wanting to buy one? Let me know what your thoughts are. I'd love to hear from you guys. And if you could do me a favor and please subscribe, I'm going to be posting videos like this frequently every single week. So look forward to more tech videos, unboxings, and product reviews. We out!